have a helpful hint for all Americans. Stop eating.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.
Jack the car up to get a little bit better.
Yeah, it's easier to access everything.
Working position to buff the fender.
Still got a little bit of haze right here. Just gonna buff this a little bit longer. Everything else,
Camera can't really pick it up.
looks pretty good.
It's red.
It's gonna be pretty.
Okay, go.
Alright, so now we are sanding out. We had a little bitty run here and there. And if you use a hard back material like this, and a little 1000 grit or 1500 or whatever, 2000, it just hits the top of the run. You want something really hard, nothing soft. So we're just getting that little top edge off. Then we're going to hit it with some 15, 2000, 3000, 5000 and buff. That should be about right. A little bit more here.
Oh yeah, that feels much better.
Yep. Love you in real life.
I don't even feel it no more.
Think it's good?
$1,400 and $2,000 for the rotational speed RPM
of the buffer. So are we recording?
Yep.
So we turned it down to 14 because we had it at 2,000 and we were getting some burns in the paint because it was getting too hot. We noticed it was getting too hot because the fender started to smoke.
Yeah.
Whenever I let the pad off.
But it is 36 degrees outside.
Yeah. Oh, it is? Nah, in here it's 61. It's beautiful.
Well, out there.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah. Don't go too fast with your buffer speed. Moral of the story.
This is it, pretty much. Just gotta put the trim pieces back on. Oh, Terry's making videos too. We just making videos.
Making a video.
Oh, I'm making a video of you. You're making a video of me. I'm making a video of you.
Look at this thing. Freaking gorgeous. Can't believe it.
It's good. It's alright. It's alright. Not bad. Okay, what's up YouTube? It's been a minute since the last clip, but I want to do a little final showing of the car. So I just drove it home about a few weeks ago, and it's been sitting in the garage just waiting for the paint to off gas so that we can do a final wax on it. But let me show you how it turned out. Ta-da! So I got a new BMW emblem, and we reused the old kidney grills, and I resprayed the little extractor vent up here with the little water nozzles that spray up on the windshield. But it's kind of a nasty looking day right now, but this is pretty much the final product here. Got that fender and the hood all done up. So there's still some more work to be done. I'm gonna polish probably the rest of the car to try to get it as shiny as the hood, and then do a cleaner wax on the rest of the car as well, and then just a wax on the hood and the fender. But we're gonna wait till the paint completely off gases for about probably another few weeks or so. It's probably been maybe 2 weeks since we finished up the paint and polish and all the buffing that we've done on it, but it looks pretty good right now. Pretty happy with it. It's not perfect. If you look up really close, there's some blemishes. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything with this lighting, but you know, under some really scrutinous light bulbs, you can see some imperfections. But I mean, for as much work we put into it and how much money I put into it, it looks pretty darn good. And special thanks to Terry Walters for helping me. Thanks, man, I love you. And you know, some guidance with some other people, and yeah, turned out really good. I like it, and it matches pretty well. There's some other things that need to be addressed, but toward the rear of the car, we may end up doing the same thing where we have to remove all the clear coat on this back piece here and maybe respray it. But as of right now, I'm pretty happy with how the car looks. Yeah, you know, tell me what you think in the comments. If there's any other stuff you guys want to see done to the car, let me know. But there she is. Have a good one, guys. See you later, YouTube.